Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Veronica. Jai Shri Krishna. So friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you my collagen mask. I recently started using collagen mask. It's super organic, homemade. It's a DIY, and the best thing, it worked amazingly on my skin. We all know collagen is must for our face. Like, it gives a lift up to our skin. It makes our face very pulpy, very soft, and you can see my skin. It just made my skin super duper good and like super healthy. After using it, I have seen like a drastic change. So I decided to shoot a video for you guys with how you can make a good collagen mask at your home and get and achieve that beautiful and soft skin. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. So firstly beauties, I'm going to show you how to make this mask. What are the ingredients? They are super easily affordable and they are very easily available at your home. I'm going to show you how to make this. So let's start. Let me show you first what are the ingredients and how to make it. So beauties, before going any further, let me show you my new two Mama Earth products. The first one is Beetroot Gentle Face Wash. Beauties, this one will give you a hydrated skin, pink glow, and gives you a instant soft and supple skin. The best thing is that beauties, this is suitable for all skin type. It is made up of beetroot and hyaluronic acid. So now let me give you a test on my hand and let me show you the consistency of it and everything. This is super duper mild on your skin, controls your oil. I don't know, but it does for me. I tried it on my face and it controls my oil. It is super good for all skin type, gives you instant glow. So now let me show you my another product from Mama. This is Beetroot Hydrafull Moisturizer with beetroot and again hyaluronic acid. It hydrates your skin, gives you an instant glow. I just love these two combo because this moisturizer is too good. It gives you 48-hour hydration, totally oil free formula. It's like gel like consistency and gives you a very soft skin, so it absorbs in your skin so heavenly, so beautifully. So I just love Mama products beauties, as they are plant goodness initiative, they are plastic positive, they are made in India, totally parabens free and very good. These products are available offline also. You can check in my description box. So just go give it a try to these two products and get that pinky beautiful glow. Our first ingredient is chia seeds. So take a handful of chia seed, then you have to grind it in your mixer. After grinding it, put it in a bowl. Now we are going to add milk in it. Add 1 tablespoon of milk. And our second ingredient is honey. Add honey. Like, there is not any fixed ratio, just add it a little bit of it and then just mix it well. Beauties, after mixing this, now you have to put this mixture aside for 1 hour. So beauties, after putting this aside for like 1 hour, you can see it just like a jelly like consistency it is having. And then I'm going to apply it on my face. You can see, oh my god. So this is like super healthy, full of collagen, and it will gonna give you a good skin. So like, I'm gonna remove my makeup, though I'm not wearing so much of makeup, but still I'm having a little bit of tint and everything. So I'm going to remove it, just going to wipe it out. Now I'm taking this. Okay. So this is like, So now, after applying this collagen mask, I'm going to leave it like this for 15 to 20 minutes. Basically, beauties, I have to let it dry, and after that, I'm going to wash my face with normal water. I'm not going to use any face wash or something. Just going to wash my face with normal water, and then I will be back. Okay, beauties, so after washing my face with just normal water, can you see a glow on my skin? I just washed my face, and this is something you all should try at your home at least once, and this is really amazing. It gives you an instant result in just one wash. In just one apply, I can see my skin become so supple, so soft, and it just left up my skin. It's just amazing collagen booster. Beauty, just give it a try. Try this with your chia seed and milk and honey. You can add aloe vera gel in it, you can add oil in it, almond oil, vitamin E oil, you can add coconut oil in it. You can add so many things according to your skin type and your requirements, and trust me, it works super duper good. So beauties, I'm so happy with this result. That's why I just shooted this video for you guys. So beauty, just go give it a try, and don't forget to comment in the comment section that how you felt after using this home remedy, this DIY, and if you have any recommendation, just comment it. See you in my next video. Bye bye, take care. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. See you in my next video. Love you so much, guys.